Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial from Zeilhan. Today we're going to learn how to turn our WordPress website into a lead generating machine for our business. Now, lead generating machine simply means that it's going to be generating leads for our business, and then we can use something like email marketing to build a relationship with our leads, and this will convert our leads to clients, and clients bring in revenues, and that's kind of why we started business. And this is also going to work for e-commerce, but we're going to do an e-commerce specific video because there are some strategies that works for e-commerce that we're not going to cover here. All right, so I'm just going to get started right away. If you want to learn how to build this website that we have right in front of us, you can go ahead and hit subscribe. This is a tutorial that we're going to be this is a tutorial that we're working on. So you're going to see this tutorial very soon. And let's get going. So the first thing that we need to ensure whenever we get to our website is we need right here. So this place right here that we're looking at the moment is called Above the Fold, and it's the hero section of the website. Above the fold is like what they see when the website loads without them scrolling. And right away, one of the major problems we see is that there isn't a button in the header that's going to say to our visitors, go ahead and do this conversion goal. Now, we don't have a sticky header. That's fine. We don't really need a sticky header. But what we do need is we need to have a button in the header that is going to lead to the conversion. Now, what kind of conversion do we want? It could be to get a free consultation. It might be to download an ebook, some infographic, or something of the sort. In this example, we have a consulting business. So we're going to say that you're going to get a free consultation or you can get a free checklist for the conversion. Now, this is going to work so that whenever they click to sign up, they actually join our email list. And then we can use email marketing to really build that relationship with them one-on-one and grow from there. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a button in the header. You can learn how to do this for different WordPress themes by just looking at our website videos. But for this theme, we're using a Blocksy theme. So I'm going to show you how to do it for the Blocksy theme. But for your WordPress website, I hope you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, just comment the theme that you have below, and we might just make a video on that. So just going to go ahead and go to your dashboard. Then we're going to go to Appearance and Customize. And I know this is the long way, that's fine. On Customize, we see the header right here. All right. So just go ahead and click on Main Row. And we're going to realize that the sticky header is deactivated. That's fine. What we need to do is we need to add a button somewhere here. All right, so I'm not going to go ahead and teach you how to edit this header. That's in our tutorials, and it's going to be in a tutorial on this website that's going to be released next. So go ahead and hit subscribe for that tutorial, but I will show you what we need to do. So we're going to go back. We have a button right here. I am going to drag it right here, and then I'm going to move socials to the right of it. That is that. Now we have the menu in the middle, and that's fine. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Go ahead and click on this one, main menu, and design. No, we don't have anything there. All right, so let's go ahead and click on the button. On the button, we're going to be able to change the name and the link. So there are a few things we're going to have to do. We're going to have to create a page for this conversion event, but we're going to get there. The first thing we're going to do is decide on the conversion. If you have a business, now here's how leads work. Now we have a video right here that's going to appear at the top of the screen. That's going to teach you about the best lead magnets to use in your business. So whatever it is that you choose for your conversion, go ahead and put that there. If it's a video, go ahead and put watch video. If it's an ebook, download ebook. If it's a consultation, your free consultation. If it's a discount, get discount. Take special offer. We're just going to be using free consultation for this one to make things simple. Let's say you get free consultation. All right, notice that this is not going to work with the socials. We can delete the socials because for me, that's more important. Most times we're going to have traffic from our social media coming to our website. So the most important thing isn't going to be to list our socials. We can list the socials in the footer as they're right here. So we haven't missed out on too much. All right, good. So now we have get free consultation. We need to create the get free consultation page. So we're going to go ahead and publish. After publishing, we are going to close. By the way, if I sound nasal, guys, I apologize. I've been sick for the past week, so it's been hard even getting the tutorial done. I've had to wait literally a week. So I'm sorry for that, but we're getting better. On the dashboard, we're going to go to pages and we are going to add a new page. All right, this is a consultation. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to create 2 pages, not one. The first page that we're going to do is just going to be the get consultation, just free consultation page. That's going to be the first page where the website visitor is going to be led. And when they get to this page, they're going to schedule their free consultation. Now, for the purpose of lead generating, how it's going to work with like PPC campaigns, for example, is that the visitor is going to go to this page. And all the visitors go to this page, but not all of them are going to sign up. And we're going to need to find a way to this. And we're going to need to find out who signs up and who doesn't sign up, so we can actually track how many leads we're getting and optimize our PPC campaigns like Google Ads and Facebook Ads and so on. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a second page, and we're going to say that for those people who visit the free consultation page and they sign up, show them this page. Meaning that anyone who sees this next page that we're going to be creating will have been a lead, and that will count as a conversion. And that's how you normally do this. So if you like, we can create Google Ads and Meta Ads for you in tutorials going forward in the future. Just go ahead and comment below if that's what you would like. So we're going to go back again and we're going to create a new page. Let's just add new page. The page that we're adding is the thank you page. Now that's what most people call it, but I like to have multiple thank you pages. So that's something we can cover in a future tutorial. All right, that's good. Now, how do we collect leads? All right, so there are a few things that we're going to do. We're going to have to grab a plugin that's going to get us to create forms. And on those forms, we're going to have people we're going to have website visitors submit their names, submit their email address, and sign up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back. We are going to go to plugins, add new plugin. The plugin that I always use, I just like this plugin, it's just really comfortable, is Fluent Forms. So let's go ahead and click Fluent Forms. We are going to install now. So here's the thing, guys. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. We're going to activate. There is going to be a video. So this is what's beautiful. There's a video somewhere of hovering above my head where we're going to show you how to do email marketing. It's like a really good free email marketing tutorial with MailChimp, meaning that you don't have to use a paid version. Now, most tutorials on YouTube cover the paid version. This is going to be one for the free version. It works in conjunction with this. So after you collect your leads, you're going to need to set up email marketing so that you can market to your customers. We even show you how to use ChatGPT. It's really brilliant. So watch that tutorial, because we're going to skip out some things here. Just going to show you how to create the form, but we're not going to show you how to set up the email marketing integration. That's a separate tutorial. Just collecting the leads on your website is what we're going to cover here today. So it's going to go over here and we're going to go to Fluent Forms and we're going to go to All Forms. On All Forms, which is beautiful. So you might have an issue. This is another tutorial I wanted to take a look at. You might have the issue that your website is not sending emails. If that is the case, it means that you need to set up what's called SMTP, Short Mail Transfer Protocol, I believe, or I think it's Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and watch this video above here again to set that up. So every problem that you might have, we are showing you how to resolve that. And of course, we have SEO tutorials and everything like that. And that being said, it says right here we have a subscription form. We can go ahead and preview this form. And it says your email address and subscribe. I don't really like this form for a simple fact I don't get their name, and I like to personalize emails because it improves open rate and click-through rate and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back here. We're going to add new form. The form that we're going to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and move myself out of the way. We're going to choose from a template. I'm going to look for a subscribe form. I don't know if there's one. There is one, subscribe. So we're going to go ahead and click on this form. It's going to say first name, last name, email. What we're going to do is we are going to click right here. We are going to go to container. We're going to go to, I think it's 3 column that we need. So let's go to 3 column. Subscribe button. We're going to move the email field. We're in the second field right here. The name field, we are going to move it in the first field right here. We're going to edit the name field. Uncheck last name, we're just collecting the first name. We're going to make this required, yes, and we're not going to call it first name, we're just going to call it name. And right here we have email. We are going to remove this, we'll go to advanced options, and the help message is going to be deleted. And we're going to go to top for the label placement. So now everything is normal. Of course, it is required. All right, that's good. And I don't think we can move the subscribe button. I think we can add it back. Oh, there we go. So everything works. Let's see, to click on this now. And all right, there we go. So we have name, email, and submit. You can click on the button and you can change the color. Just go to button style and go to custom. And we can change the colors and everything like that. We are going to click right here and we're going to say get consultation. We are going to go ahead and rename. We're going to go to settings and integrate. Wait, cancel. Save form. Go to settings and integrations. Now, this is a part that's going to be very important with MailChimp. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to keep your message, but we're not actually going to keep the message. We're going to confirm. So what we're going to do here, we're going to change the confirmation type to go to a page. Remember, that's how we're going to know when we get a lead. So it means that whenever someone successfully completes this form, they're going to go to the thank you page. And that is going to tell us that, oh yes, look, you have another lead. All right, so that's good. Ensure we save the settings. We're not going to change anything else here. We could deny empty submissions. All right, and that's good. And go ahead and save settings. The next thing that we need to do is email notifications. We're going to enable this one. So we go to email notifications and enable. We're going to click on the gear icon and we're going to say for a notification, and we're going to say new get free consultation notification. And it's going to submit all the data in the emails. So whenever someone signs up to become a lead, we're going to get that notification sent to our email. So we'll know when that happens. And we're going to save this notification. We're good. We could configure integrations, email. Okay, here we go. Integrations and MailChimp enable and so on. But like I said, in the MailChimp tutorial, we cover that. So we're not going to cover that right now. Now that we've set that up, we're going to go to our pages, all pages. We're going to close right here. The first is that we're going to just we're going to do the contact page, edit in Elementor. There's a reason why we're doing this. You'll see it soon. On that, while we edit with Elementor here, I think we might need to recreate kits. Let's just wait for that to happen. No, we don't. So after we've done that, we're going to go to our free consultation page. We're going to edit, and then we're going to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Meanwhile, on the contact page, we're going to scroll to the top. This first section here, we are going to copy, go back to the free consultation. On free consultation, we're going to go ahead and paste. All right, that we've pasted, I'm going to move this because I don't need it. All right. Now we're going to need to do a few things to get this to look like the contact page. That's fine. We'll get there. But for now, we're going to go ahead and change right here. We're going to move this button. So we're just going to delete that button. We don't need it. And this is what short code. It's not showing up, so I don't know what the short code is. But on the consultation page, I am going to just delete it. We're going to click right here and we're going to change the text to, we're going to grab a text editor, drag it right here. And it's going to say something like, all right, that's good. And then we're going to grab a Fluent form widget. So it's right here, Fluent form. Just going to drag it right here. That's good. We are going to select the free consultation form. That's good. That's right there. And we can remove the label. So there's the option. That's good. We can have a custom title and description. So we can say our email list. And we can add a new description. Let me just type new description right here so you can see where that goes. But we don't need that actually. And placeholder. Placeholder is what would have been inside this area if we had used placeholders. We did not. So let's go ahead and save that. The thing that I don't like is the subscribe to our newsletter and everything that's right here. So we can go ahead and delete that. But we'll delete it later. All right, so our form is right here. So get free consultation, subscribe, and now just go ahead and publish this. What we need to do now is we need to make this page look like this page, meaning that we need to remove this. One way that we can do that is by going back here and exit to WordPress. We are also going to exit to WordPress here. Then we're going to do the page settings. The page settings is over here. Just click on this icon and click on it. Notice it's moving. And from there, you're going to see a few options. Move myself out of the way. Go to Blocksy. There we go. Page title is disabled here on the contact page. So we need to ensure that the page title is disabled on this page. Go ahead and disable that. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the page structure. Ensure that we have the same page structure. All right, that's good. Then we're going to do the content style. Just go ahead and do the content style, and everything looks okay. Let's go ahead and save this for the free consultation, and now let's view the page. And yeah, get a free consultation, and we need to just remove this from our newsletter. So we're going to go to dashboard, Fluent forms, free consultation. We're going to edit. On the edit, we are just going to delete this section. Yes, confirm, and everything is good. And this is good. Just go ahead and save form. Form is saved. Now we're going to go back to our pages. We're going to go to free consultation and just view. Get free consultation. That sounds good. And I like how this design is just come together. One of the things that they sometimes do with this page is they sometimes remove the header and the footer because they're saying it's distraction, especially if you're running ads to that page. But we can cover that in next tutorial. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we need to add the link from this page to our get free consultation button. So I'm going to copy. Notice if we click get free consultation, it just goes to the contact page. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to go to customize right here, or we can go to dashboard, appearance and customize. And we are going to see the header load right here. Just hover over and click on these three dots. If I'm going too fast, go ahead and watch a tutorial on this, automate this video, on automate this website, or you can watch our other Blocksy tutorials. And let's just cover right here and paste. So now we have that, and that's beautiful. Let's see what happens when we hover. That looks good. Gonna close right here, and let's just go home. From home, we're gonna click get free consultation, and it's gonna take us here. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to ensure that our thank you page looks good. So we're gonna go back. All right, so contact pages here. Let's edit with Elementor. We are going to go back to our My Blog dashboard. We're going to go to pages, all pages. We are going to need to edit the thank you page, and then we're going to edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. The contact page is right here. So just go ahead and I know I'm going to do this, so we're going to copy right here. All right, and we're going to paste. And I'm going to change this picture. There should be something else there that I could use. Let's see how this looks. And we're going to style, size. Then we're going to click right here. Going to add a text editor. Going to delete this button, of course. And in the text editor, we're going to say setup. Actually, I think it's best to put that right here. So I'm going to duplicate this header and delete this text. I'm going to change this to an H2. H2 is going to be, and we're going to change the size for sure. We're going to change the weight. And I don't like this weight. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, delete this, add text editor. And that looks good. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab this consultation booking form right here. And I think what we will do in our next tutorial, so not in the next website building tutorial, but the next just tutorial in general, I think we should cover how to actually create this for your website. So I think that's what we should do next. And we're going to cover it in the tutorial on how to build this website as well. So we're going to go ahead and copy here. And we're going to paste. That looks good. And yes, it's the same picture. That's good. That's good. That's good. And the thing that you're noticing right away is that it doesn't look the same as here, does it? So I think what I should do is I should copy the entire section right here, copy, and add and paste. That looks a little bit better, just a smidge, and doesn't look much better. It's actually the same thing, come to think of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview changes to see if it loads poorly. It doesn't load poorly, it loads properly actually. All right. And this green is a little bit gloomy, but it's the website color that we've been working with. Not going to worry about that. So it's going to go ahead and publish right here. Remember what I said with the contact page, you can just go exit to dashboard. We're going to exit here to dashboard as well. Let me just close this one. Once we've exited to dashboard, we can click on the Blocksy icon, page title. Remember, contact page, the page title is disabled. So we're going to go to page title disabled. So it's going to disable the page title here. And I think everything else is as it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable the header and disable the footer. And by disabling the header and the footer on the contact on the thank you page, it's not going to distract them from actually scheduling their consultation. Let's go ahead and view this page right now. There we go. So it has no header and has no footer. It's just simply saying, thank you for scheduling a free consultation. Set up your free consultation below. And we could remove the breadcrumbs. That way it doesn't have this to navigate back to the homepage. But that's fine. And we're going to delete this button as well. And we're going to change some text. So let's go ahead and edit with Elementor just to add some final touches. Going to delete the breadcrumbs. Like we said, we don't need that. We are going to delete the button, more about me. We're going to say book a free consult. And it says not sure anyway. We're going to change that from not sure anyway to, and it's a book your free consultation. And that is good. And publish. Let's just view those changes. Thank you for scheduling a free consultation. Set up your free consultation below. And we have helped many customers like you. We can help you too. And I think you should say clients because we're generating leads for clients, but that's neither here nor there. We can get there. So this looks beautiful. We can go ahead and edit this link right here, I suppose. But that's going to be a part of the tutorial on how to actually get this calendar, which I want you guys to see, because what you can do right now, instead of using Calendly, so I have Calendly right here, and you could just click on Calendly and you can grab a link and so on. Instead of using Calendly, you can actually create your own calendar inside your website. You can sync it with iCal, you can sync it with Google, you can sync it with Zoom, you can sync it with Google Meet. It's actually pretty awesome. So go ahead and hit subscribe for that tutorial. And if you look at our our YouTube channel, you're going to see a lot of videos on just how to generate leads, increase revenues, sales, and stuff like that. Go ahead and check out those videos. And we do offer free websites as well. So we do tutorials, and what we worked on in the tutorials, we give them away for free. There's also that. So hit subscribe, help us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. And thank you guys for watching. This has been amazing. I enjoyed it.